Hello everyone. I wanted to hop on here and give you another quick tip regarding debits and credits. A lot of confusion I see happening right now in the current sessions that are running with my students is when you are doing bookkeeping and you are recording transactions, your transactions have to balance, okay? That is double entry bookkeeping. Your transactions always have to balance. What I'm finding is that when people start to learn about debits and credits, and it can be overwhelming if you've never worked with them before, is that if you have a situation where two account categories are increasing, students will come back and say, it doesn't make any sense. Debits and credits don't make any sense. Both things are increasing. There's no way for me to make that balance. Or both categories are decreasing. There's no way for me to make that balance. It's not that the dollar amounts have to flush each other out in balance. It's that your debits and credits have to balance. And that is a very big distinction. Okay, so what that means is if you take a loan from a bank, okay, the loan goes through, it gets approved, the money ends up in your bank account, all right? So from a bookkeeping perspective, your cash has now increased, okay? Money got deposited into your account and your cash has increased. When we increase assets, it's a debit, okay? However, your liabilities have also increased. You've taken a loan from the bank. And when liabilities increase, it's recorded as a credit. So if you took out a $10,000 loan, you're going to have a debit to your cash for $10,000. When the money goes through, you're going to have a credit to that liability for $10,000. Your debits and credits balance. On the flip side of that, same thing happens if you make a payment. Okay, you've taken out this $10,000 loan. Now you're going to make a payment against it. When you make that first payment, your asset account, your cash account is decreasing. Okay, money went out the door. That's recorded as a credit. And now your liability is decreasing. Your balance on that loan is now less because you made a payment. And to decrease our liabilities, that is recorded as a debit. Okay, so you have both categories decreasing, yet your debits and credits balance. And when you originally take the loan, you have two categories that are increasing. But when you record it and you follow the rules, the debits and credits balance. So don't get caught up in they are both increasing or both categories are decreasing. Your increasing and decreasing can be any combination. Depending on the transaction, both categories can be going up, both can be going down, one may be going up, one may be going down, whatever the case may be. At the end of the day, if you follow the rules, your debits and credits will always balance.